Well, I'll tell you, if you want a nice little camper that's quality for your family, this is the way to go. The Winnebago 1800BH. Right there, you can see that it has a dual axle. Those are a torsion axle, which comes on your precious cargo trailers like horse trailers and snowmobile trailers. It's got the nice aluminum rims. And then you have electric stabilizing jacks, front and back. And there's 4 motors. So they're all individual, so you can do them individually. And then you have all these nice windows that are tinted. You have a huge awning right there, 190 watt solar panel on the roof, JLB sound system with JLB speakers. They're marine grade, so they could be outside. You got a nice big pass-through storage right there. We're gonna put some propane tanks right there, and we're also gonna put a brand new Group 27 interstate battery on there for you. Has electric tongue jack. There's the other side of the pass-through storage. Let's take a look in here. Look how nice that is. Huge. You come around the back side here and you could open this back door and the bunk flips up in the back, and that allows you to put extra stuff in the back. And then all your hookups are right here. Ladder in the back. It's a fully walkable roof. Right here you have a hot and cold water shower, spare tire, spot for a backup camera if you so desire to add one. Let's go check out the inside. There's your bed with storage underneath. The propane tank covers inside here so it doesn't blow away, but all that storage up top. You got a nice little dinette right there that can make down into a bed. More storage all up on the top. Comes with the TV. This right here, if I set my phone there, it'll start charging. You got a little extra flip up counter space right there. There's a 110 plug there. There's more up there. USB hookups. It's prepped for a king Wi-Fi booster. There's the bunk beds back there. Digital thermostat. You have your cook range there. It comes with a convection microwave, so if you wanted to cook a pizza or anything that you normally would use in the oven, you can cook it in there, or you can use it like a regular microwave. There's your fridge, and then the bathroom with a nice big shower with a big tub surround, and your vent on the roof. It's all ducted into there. The air conditioner's ducted into there. There's a bunch of more storage right there. So there you go. Nice quality camper for the family. Come on down and see me at Adventure RV. We'll get you hooked up. Thank you.